How to create Chipotle account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open any of your web browser if you're not using the application. Then search for chipotle.com. Okay, here we go. Now tap on the first link that appears on top. That is the official website for Chipotle. Wait for it while the page is loading. Now we have come across the main website of Chipotle. Over here you can see two options, create an account or sign in. If you already have an account, just tap on sign in. But for now, let's tap on create an account. So after tapping on it, you'll come across this page where you have to enter your credentials and you have to enter your email and choose a strong password. So let's enter your first name here. Okay, now add your last name as well. And similarly, add your email and then just scroll down below and you have to choose your country, either it's the US or Canada. Then in case of received text offers and promotions, you can either tap on yes or no. But in case if you want to be updated about Chipotle's latest offers, just tap on yes and then at last enter your birthday. Then tap on create an account and that's how you create Chipotle's account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.